I'm Nort Beckerman. They call me the brain health coach, but I wasn't always the brain health coach. I had my own problems. A virus cost me my memory. I had to use spiral notebooks for memory. Then I lost my ability to talk. Scary. I was told I had an incurable disorder coming from my brain. I wanted to know what was happening to me, so I started to study the brain. I had trouble relating what I was studying to something in my head, so I drew a cartoon picture of my brain and put it in front of me. I called him Henry. This is Henry. I decided that Henry and I were partners. If I took better care of him, he would take good care of me. I had to bring Henry back to health. If I did that, my memory would get better and I would be able to talk. I kept studying. I had to stop doing damage to Henry. Most of the tissues that held Henry's cells were inflamed. As a result, they weren't working right. Part of the problem was hydration. I wasn't delivering enough water to hydrate the tissues and help the cells work. But the real culprit was simple sugar. We need sugar to live, and all carbohydrates are sugar. But there are simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. It was the simple carbohydrates that were causing most of the problems. I was consuming a lot of them. The first thing I did was stop consuming all those sugary sodas and fruit juice. Next, I needed to replace refined bread products, cereals, and rice, like white bread and white rice, with whole grain breads, cereals, and brown rice. I made water my drink of choice so I could stay properly hydrated. There were a lot more things, but I can go into those at a later time. It took about 2.5 years, but Henry regained his health. I regained my memory and ability to talk. I learned that I could have kept Henry healthy if I had done all the right things earlier. Now I try to help other people learn what I learned. That's why they call me the brain health coach. I'll see you next time for a brain healthy moment.